Hello beautiful people! So this is my second day where I am going to help you how to achieve a wonderful ramen dish. Today I will teach you how to make Ajitsuke Tamago, aka ramen egg. If you follow my recipe step by step, I am 100% sure it will be successful. Stay tuned. Do you know what does it mean, Ajitsuke Tamago? If you translate it literally to Japanese, it will be seasoned egg. These flavorful, soft ramen egg are used as a ramen topping. They are soft from inside and they have a lot of beautiful flavors. The ramen dish starts by cooking the ramen eggs properly. So the first step, we're gonna bring enough water to boil 3 eggs in a medium pot over high heat. Carefully place the egg using a spatula, a ladle, a spoon, and this is where we're gonna start counting for 6 minutes. Beautiful people, it have to be on 6 minutes sharp. Otherwise, your egg will be too hard, and if you make it less, it will be too soft. Now we're gonna remove the eggs from the water, and we're gonna place them in a nice water bath. We need to let the egg stop cooking, and then we're gonna peel the eggs. There's a little secret here, I didn't show you this. You need to make a hole into the base of the egg. This is done to release the air pocket which is in the egg. The more the egg gets older, the more the air pocket's gonna get bigger, and this will crack the egg. Second of all, the hole is done because it is gonna help you to remove the skin very easily, as you can see in the video. Now we're gonna start making the seasoning for the ramen egg. So you need to bring a dry tissue, a dry napkin, whatever you basically have at home, and you need to remove all the white thing that is on the top of the kombu. Alright, you have to make it from both sides. But be careful, don't add water to the tissue because this will remove all the flavor from the kombu leaf. Kombu is a Japanese sort of seaweed. Yes, it is edible. Yes, you can eat it as well. And it's always used in making dashi. Give me a minute. I am gonna teach you how to make dashi as well today. In a pot, in a medium heat, we're gonna add some water. Alright, we're gonna let it simmer. And then we're gonna add the kombu leaf. We're gonna extract the entire flavor from the kombu leaves. The second step, we're gonna remove the kombu leaf and we're gonna add the Bonito flakes. The Bonito flakes are basically a sort of dried fish. Again, we're gonna let it simmer for 7 to 8 minutes because it is gonna enrich the flavor of the broth. Then we're gonna strain the entire combination. We're gonna place back the water in the pot. And this is where we're gonna add the soya sauce, the mirin, and the sugar. We're gonna mix them, bring them to a boil until the sugar is properly dissolved. We're gonna set them aside until they cool down properly. Once the base is at room temperature, we're gonna get the eggs, we're gonna place them in a bowl. We're gonna pour the entire base in it. We need to ensure that the dashi covers the eggs from the top. And once you do this, there's a small important tip that you need to know. Look, you need to know that at the beginning, the eggs gonna float on the top, but later they will sink. The eggs will last 5 to 7 days in the fridge easily, to be honest with you. Lovely people, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. I am still gonna teach you the entire process how to make the ramen dishes properly. Don't forget to subscribe and we'll see you very soon. Alright? Ciao!